Hi friends. If you're somebody out there that's trying to make sense of charts and doesn't really know where to start or what indicators they might want to use, let me show you the only two indicators that I use, and they might be the only two indicators you'll ever need. What they are is the 10 SMA, all right, on a 15-minute chart. So it's very important. This is a 15-minute time frame. We have to use this time frame. This 10 SMA gives me a gauge of momentum. And right now it's showing us that the Qs are in a momentum mode as they have not posted a single close below the 10 SMA. The second indicator you see on here is the 130, or put easily, a 5-day moving average viewed on a 15-minute chart. The way in which you can recreate this is simply go to your indicators, no matter what charting platform you use, grab a simple moving average, and put 130 periods in there. That will actually divide perfectly into 5 trading days and give you 130 candle averages, which is the 5-period moving average, I should say. Take note of how much information this simple pair of indicators gave us over the last few days. All right, NASDAQ, Qs, SPY, they all did the same thing. They gapped up yesterday, pulled back, and where did they find support? Right here. So this is what we call a level of interest. Whether you're a day trader or a swing trader, this level should give you an opportunity to make some decisions. Today and yesterday, we have a full momentum move going. It's rare to see these things go for longer than a day and a half. So what we've got is a super power move going in the NASDAQ, especially in the small caps. Small caps are on fire today. Maybe you watch the ARK fund. I'm sure that one's doing well. Exactly. Followed the perfect 10 SMA yesterday and is now testing it again. So again, if you're having a hard time figuring out how to read charts and what indicators to use, I suggest trying this little pair of indicators here, the 10 SMA and the 130 SMA, only on a 15-minute chart. Good luck, and don't forget to manage risk.